Hi everybody, this is Donald. This is Travel Cooking and Culture. We have another product here in our backyard. We call it Marang. Marang in our language, but I don't know in English. You just search in Google. So look at this. Follow me. This is one of our product here. You open like this, soft skin, like this. See, me I see. The seeds you can roast it and make it like a little nuts. Close up, please, por favor. So this is it. Another product in our backyard, Marang. This is taste sweet, yummy, and creamy. And it smells good, huh? This is not durian. This is called marang. See? Now you know exactly what it looks like. Come and join me. This is only in our backyard. Ciao. And you need to eat like this.